Hey, welcome back to our series on Facebook LeetCode interview questions. We're doing the most frequent Facebook interview questions according to LeetCode. And today we're tackling number 938, range sum of BST. So it's an easy question. So given the root node of a binary search tree in two integers, low and high, return the sum of values of all nodes with a value in the inclusive range. So if our range is 5 to 15, so this 5 and this 15 here, and it is inclusive, that means we include a 5 and we include the 15. So that would be 5 plus 10 plus 15, so that would be 30. And then we also have to include this 7 down here because it is greater than this 5. So it would be 37 would be a total value. So this is going to be a classic, you can do BST or DFS, or sorry, BFS or DFS, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to do a DFS, depth first search. And basically what's going to be happening is I'm going to be doing recursively, and I'm going to be passing back a running sum. But I only add the node's value if it is greater than or equal to the low, or if it's less than or equal to the high. So let's go ahead and get into this. So if we do not have a root, so that means if we go to the left or right child of this 3, we need a return. And what are we going to return? We're going to return a 0. And then from there, what we need to do is return the, I guess we need to do the logic here. So we'll say if our root dot val, is it val or value? Is if our root dot val is greater than or equal to our low, and it is also root dot val is also less than or equal to our high, what we want to do is say that we are adding our root dot val else 0. So we're looking at this and we're making sure that the value is between low and high inclusive. And if it is in between them, then we add it. If not, we ignore it and add 0. And then we also want to add that to our left and our right. So we'll do the same thing. We'll do range sum BST, and we'll have a root dot left, the same low and the same high. And then we'll do the same thing for root dot right. So here we'll go range sum BST root dot right, the same low and the same high. So this logic is pretty straightforward. The only thing we do is we make sure we go to every single node. There's definitely ways of optimizing this. So if we reach, the high, then we shouldn't call the root dot right. Same thing if we hit the low. We should not call root dot left. But just for simplicity's sake, I'm going to treat this as visiting every node. So we're going to hit every node, and if it is inclusively between the low and the high, then we add it here, and then we add it to its left and right calls, and we pass it all the way up till we break out. So let's go ahead and run it and see what happens. We do pass, and then let's submit it. Boom, there we go. 23%. There is a way to do this, iteratively with a stack. If you want to go ahead and do that, that would not be too difficult, but this is how you do it recursively, and it's very simple and straightforward. If you have any questions, feel free to post them below. Please like this video, give this channel a subscribe, hit that bell button, whatever people do these days, and I really appreciate all your support and any comments I receive from all of you guys. It's really been great to see the support this channel has been given in the past couple of weeks, and I truly appreciate it. So that is how you do question 938 range sum of BST. Have a great day.